Why am I doing that?
Ah, sick. Ah, sick. Hello, hello. You stupid. Oh my god. You see, look at this dude. Look at this dude. Why are you so stupid? You push me off and you can't make it up yourself. Oh my god, you're so stupid.
Damn.
Damn.
Imagine.
Imagine being stupid.
How?
This is such a how moment.
This is bullying.
Ogni retreat. I believe I said Mr. Retrito.
No!
Did you kill Frank? You fucking stupid. Where's Frank?
Guys, can you make it?
Ooh.
Ooh.
He
We
did.
gotta go though.
Yeah, we kinda gotta go though. We kinda gotta go.
See ya.
Ogden? Go down.
Ooh, that's not good.
Go down.
Oh, that's even worse.
Okay, went through. Ogne. Oh, he's just here.
Oh, that's how it is. I hope
Switch
I didn't
yourself.
die.
Oh, actually. Oh, no. Yeah, yeah.
No, I'm good.
Is
we
Frank
got it.
here? Don't kill Frank. Don't kill Frank. Wait, hold on.
You gotta grab Frank.
I got him.
Okay.
Frank has been grabbed.
Alright, and now we jump off because we can't survive a Fogna, of course.
Oh, yeah. Oh, how it took me, you mean?
Yeah, true. See ya.
No, man.
Oh.
Goodbye.
That's a little close. I love that bowl sound.
Yes. Thank you.
Let's go.
Dry breakfast, as they say.
Just, I hope you're eating cereal without milk.
Actually,
The
so
driest.
yesterday,
The driest
I was-
breakfast, man. I guess
Yesterday.
it's... Yeah.
I was out of milk. Or
Oh, no.
almost
That's a
out
good
of milk,
sign.
so I added water.
I may as well starve at that point, honestly.
It was so bad.
You, my
Frank
friend.
doesn't deserve to see this.
True. Frank
He's
also
better than
doesn't
that.
deserve to be bullied.
He's not
And
being
abused.
bullied. He's not being abused.
Yeah,
He
you sure?
enjoys being with me.
I'm sure of it.
Look, just because it didn't work out with Roxana doesn't mean
Shut
you
up!
have
Shut
to...
up about Roxanne. I don't want to hear it. Let's go, Wagner, go. Oh, fuck. No, don't see. Oh, maybe it won't work. Okay, he's retreat, Wagner, retreat. I'll get him.
He's gonna do beautiful. Fuck.
Consume.
Oh,
Anyway.
yeah. I don't think we need to consume.
Nope, we don't.
Okay,
We,
well,
we can have extra nutrition.
Oh wait, there's a rock here. I won't need it.
what?
What?
No! Okay, Velo, do the jump.
Pascal.
It's alright, just practice.
What the fuck was that? Why did I stop? Okay.
Oh,
Why-
he didn't
why-
jump.
why-
He's leaving.
Fucking make up your mind, stupid lizard.
He might be angry now. Uh-oh.
Ah, stupid.
Use the rock to stun him, hopefully.
Oh no!
Not Frank!
Well,
Not Frank! No!
I just...
Grab Frank, Ogna.
Oh
Oh,
man, this is not good. This is not good.
Oh,
Out she goes.
Frank! Okay.
God, I want that plant.
no!
Why?
It's such a nice thing. It's like a
Nice
grenade, but it won't kill me.
It also does so little. Oh,
Oh,
okay. I see. Okay, you know what? Maybe you're onto something with that plant. Everyone go in. See you. Hello. Hello.
oh, wow, that's fast.
Shit! I was hoping you wouldn't throw.
I was like, okay, maybe I shouldn't throw, but then he,
Or I guess
he's gonna.
He vibing.
Ooga. Ooga.
Oh.
He really just wanted to kill me, I guess.
He wanted the mask. Alright, Velo, this switch, maybe? There's a rock. Nice. Okay, so now I'm now destined to fuck it up.
No, wait. You have to protect or not? Okay.
Okay, go.
That's
go.
That's.
I'm scared.
Go. It's okay. It's don't rush. Don't rush. Just go. Just calm down. It's alright. Okay. Yeah. Let's go.
Go. Ah.
From Mr. Thunder. It's a bit of a family reunion with Frank, huh? We've brought him all the way from here.
Guys, please, guys. Oh my god. Please.
He went in.
We didn't.
Yeah, we're trying. We're working on it. Hey. Hey, everyone's here to welcome us back.
Oh, nice.
Roxana too, Pog. We did it, Chef.
Maybe you and Roxana will get back together.
Hell yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
So what's his name?
So remember when I said that it's the fucking thing is on the close to this shelter, right?
Yeah.
You see the entrance on the left?
I need to
That's the
log
thing.
out.
That's that right there is the thing.
Wow. Wow.
This entire time that left entrance was the entrance to the content mod. Okay, let's go, guys.
Where are we going?
You see the? I mean, well, you'll see very
So
soon.
what's your guy's name, Vilo?
Tom?
Bro, that's a white guy's name.
Oh, I wonder why.
Roxana, go. No, not you. Oh. Okay.
I'm gonna hide.
Roxana, come back. Thanks, Roxana.
Okay, we must go now.
Yeah, let's go. Don't worry about him.
That was a figure.
Right here.
Oh my god!
Yes, but this place does like those guys. So
Oh. Goodbye.
Well,
I think he's dead.
Yeah, I would claim so.
Oh!
There's just a couple of them. I'm sure it's fine, really.
I'm sure I can survive without one, right?
Yeah, just make that jump right there.
I'm sorry.
Okay, guys, your turn.
Wait, we've been here before.
We have not been here. Hey, Velo, do the jump.
Fuck,
Nice.
I missed.